It's a new 2022 Genesis G70. Sophisticated elegance with athletic performance and attention to detail equals one lasting impression. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, inductive device charging, hands-free liftgate, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, external memory control, front heated bucket seats, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rearview mirror, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. For Genesis, luxury is about more than just comfort. It's about performance, it's about versatility, and it's about safety too. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call, click, or stop in today. We are conveniently located at 2404 Crain Highway in Bowie, Maryland.